like I've mentioned before, I am drawing more nanovor. Tonight, we're gonna draw a Face Stormer. One of my favorite nanovor for the series. Face Stormer has been a classic favorite for me, even when it first appeared. Much like the Tank Walker, its battle style has always been a favorite of mine. There we go. Drawing Face Stormer is kind of easy. Basically, Face Stormer looks a lot like an astronaut. Here's Face Stormer's other foot. There we are. There he is, everyone. That's Face Stormer. There he is. Wow, and it only took us two minutes. Not bad. Now that's pretty easy to draw. Face Stormer has been one of my favorite. Oh yeah, I already told you that. Anyhow, that takes care of that. That's another one of my favorite nanovor already drawn up. That's all for now, guys. Good night.